A major change is coming for the people applying for a green card in the United States. USCIS will use the new guidelines to decide whether some green card applications could become a public charge, meaning that someone who may depend heavily on the government support. And this could change and basically matter to many Indian families applying for the permanent residence in America. Under the new system, immigration officers will look at 5 major areas: the applicant's age, health, family situation, financial resources, and educationals along with the skills. But there is another important change. For the benefits received on after September of 18th, USCIS may consider it as a major wider range of means tested government benefits. Now this can include cash assistance, housing support, food assistance, and certain financial aid for the college. However, receiving the government benefits does not automatically mean a green card will be denied. The USCIS says that every case will be reviewed separately. Officers will look at the applicant's complete financial and personal situation even before making a decision. The rules can affect several family-based and employment-based green card applications, including some spouses, their children, parents of the US citizens, skilled workers, professionals, and the investors. Now, there are a lot of groups that are exempted from this. These include refugees, the asylees, certain Afghan and Iraqi nationals who worked with the US government, the victims of human trafficking, certain crime victims, and the VAWA applicants of the several others protected categories. And that's not all. There's another important option in some cases. If USCIS believes that the applicants could become a public charge, the agency may invite them to post a financial bond. This amount could depend on the government support that the person may potentially be receiving over the next 5 years. But applicants cannot simply choose to pay both bonds themselves. USCIS must invite them and do so. For Indians planning to apply for a US green card, the key message is simple. September 18th is the important date. The new rules do not mean that every applicant receiving the government help will be rejected, but the financial and the personal circumstances may receive a greater attention. And for the families preparing for the green card application, understanding these changes before filing could now become more important than ever before.